in Yala, which in the near future, the president is going to launch a housing scheme in Yala town.
Ekinde mambaka dhiyo nyime kendi penjo moko nitiere maseche moko wuok e alwora mag Bondo kanyakla kod kar chung'ot bura mari. Beng'eno odiochieng' manyoro ne ji puoye nyadhi mane manosenindo jaod bura magem machon miluongo ni Otada gi dho jende. E kinde mani somo budget makendo kod magi ne gin wi hotel ma wacho ni budget ni nitie kumodhi diyo godo jopiny nitie kaka odhi makare. Bisedo e budget mbiro nitiere kumoro ma piny owacho no dwa keto omenda moro matis to ka do juole malo. Paro mane minyalo chiwi budget mar 3.6 trillion.
And the only problem we must haggle and resolve and problem medo 16% VAT on fuel. Mano we as a member of energy committee we are looking away kako nyalo be resolved. Because money will have a negative impact on the public. Overall, I think the budget are some things that will be good for the people of Kenya. But look at it, the country needs to run. We cannot stop Kenya. We cannot stop salaries. The very Kenyans will be crying, there are no salaries. Where do the salaries come from? From the taxes that we pay. Okay? Where do the counties run from? The taxes that we get is the money that is remitted to the counties so that the counties can run and can run efficiently.
Before I let you go, I incorporate Honorable Didmas Barasa. The budget is yet to